school. David is there to inform us what is happening.
We are in Vista Alegre School because some dinosaur bones were found here today. We are asking the teacher, what did you find?
We are surprised to
How do you feel about this big discovery?
I was present during this big discovery. I am surprised to a kid discovering dinosaur bones.
An Italian rich woman is here, and she is talking with two paleontologists.
This is a complete skeleton of Ankylosaurus. It can cost a lot of money.
They want to sell it.
I don't agree with selling this very important discovery. I am trying to buy the bones with 5 million euros. We agree with that price.
We will see what happens in the end.
In the morning, a thief came into the school to rob money and computers, but the police arrested him. Alba was with them.
Today in Vista Alegre school there are robots. We are going with the police at the school. What is missing? Computers and money. Are we going alone? No. I am calling Juan and Raúl. Hello, Raúl and Juan. Come on, go to the school. It seems that playing Pokémon Go is now a problem at school. Many pupils are hooked on it, but many teachers are too.
Today, the teachers and the children are playing with their phones. They play Pokémon Go. We are interviewing David. Hello, David.
Hello, I'm very busy hunting Pokémon. I am level 19.
What is your favorite Pokémon?
My favorite Pokémon is Charizard.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, a Pokémon! Here we have another hunter. This one is a teacher. Hello, Nerea.
Hello.
What Pokémon do you hunt?
Pikachu, Charizard, and Osamu. I am in the level 7.
Oh, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Nerea, Jorge, and Jan lived a really scary experience today. They were chased by some zombies. Let's have a look to what happened.
What is going on? The Dr. Dolores made a magic potion.
Do the children drink the potion?
Yes, and now the teacher and children are zombies.
My plan is working. Run, zombies are here. Oh no, the door is closed. There are a lot of zombies. Yes. We haven't graduated
We are with adapted teacher Cristobal. Do you want to talk about kidnapping?
I was locked in the library and they told me they would open the door if I pulled the homework.
Now we are introducing the kidnappers.
The truth is we abducted Cristobal because we don't want to so much homework. He feels anxious. It is a lot. And for the next morning, we don't want to talk anymore. Let's go.
This is everything for the moment. Bye.
Let's talk about the weather now. Something terrible is happening. Tell us more, Pablo.
The tornado goes to the Vista Alegre school. The police decides to make a shelter. The tornado destroys Ribadeo. Now it is heading for Burela. What are we doing? We are making an outer distribution in case the shelter doesn't fall.
We hope the shelter is made before the tornado falls.
What are we doing in the shelter with?
We are making the shelter with leaves, branches, and the house. We don't have enough material, so we go to the woodland to catch more.
There is all for the moment. When we have more news, we inform you.
We wait for you.
Finally, Sergio is here to bring us the sport news. Today, pupils are playing a football match at the school. 5th class team against a 6th class team. A 6th class pupil broke his ankle because someone kicked him. They are waiting for the ambulance. The match continues and now 5th class team is winning. Children are having a lot of fun. We talked to Valeria. She is at the Coast Hospital.
We're at the hospital with Betty. All the you like they have a dream. Well, I heard a lot. What happened? I was running and fell. Well, sorry, because the Rafa gets me.
Today we celebrate a basketball championship. Right now, Adel and Raul are waiting the final match. Tell us which team is winning.
Now team and 6th grade team are playing the final match and 6th grade team is winning. 10 minutes are left till the match finishes. Oh, what a three-pointer Marta made! Let's talk to some members of the winner team. What do you think about the match?
The match was very level, but we need because of 3-pointers we made. Today, we all are the best.
The match was amazing.
It was hard to win.
10 seconds left. Pablo makes a basket. The max over. 15 the winner. This is all. We are celebrate the victory.
These are all the news for today. Tomorrow we will inform you again about what's going on at school. Good afternoon and goodbye.